In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate loan EMI in Microsoft Excel. EMI stands for Equated Monthly Installment, which is the fixed amount you pay each period to repay a loan. We'll build a simple, clear worksheet so you can plug in your numbers and instantly see your monthly payment and the total amount you'll pay over the life of the loan. Start by opening Excel and creating a clean layout. In column A, we'll place our labels, and in column B, we'll put the inputs and results. At the top, add a bold title like Mortgage Calculator so it's easy to spot. Just below that, set up the input labels: loan amount, annual interest rate, loan term, years, and payments per year. In the cells next to those labels, you'll enter your values. Format loan amount as currency. Format annual interest rate as percentage, so you can type something like 7% rather than 0.07. For payments per year, use 12 for monthly payments. If your loan uses a different schedule, update that number accordingly. Keeping inputs clearly labeled and correctly formatted prevents common mistakes. Next, add a label for monthly payment, EMI, and leave the cell to its right for the formula. We'll use Excel's PMT function, which calculates the periodic payment for a loan. The structure is PMT, rate, NPER, PV. Rate is your annual interest divided by payments per year. NPAR is the total number of payments, which is loan term in years multiplied by payments per year. PV is the loan amount. If your inputs are in B2 for loan amount, B3 for annual interest rate, B4 for loan term, years, and B5 for payments per year, enter this formula in the EMI cell: XPMT B3's B5, B4, B5, B2. The minus sign makes the result display as a positive payment. Format this result as currency. If you change any input, the EMI updates instantly so you can compare scenarios. Finally, calculate the total loan cost. Add a label like total of payments and multiply the EMI by the total number of payments. Using the same setup, if your EMI is in B6, the formula is each house B6, B4, B5.